Hello, students, and welcome. We are evaluating the answer script of Mock 1, Grade 10 CBSE. The candidate has appeared for or answered the CBSE released sample question paper, and we are going to use the strategy of 1 star and 3 wishes. That means we will identify one good quality in this paper and give 3 areas or give 3 suggestions for improvement. Let us see the areas where we can give suggestions. That is reading, it was out of 20, the candidate has scored 17. Writing, this is quite an area where we can give suggestions. It was out of 10, the candidate has lost 6 marks. Grammar, 1 mark is lost. Literature reading, it is full, and literature subjective, quite a lot of marks have been lost over there. Now let us begin our evaluation. First of all, the paper looks quite neat, so this can be a star for this candidate. The question number is correctly labeled. Please kindly check whether the question number was in Roman number or numeral numbers. It is very important that one should use the same way of writing the question number as given in the question paper. Do not change the Roman numbers to numerals or numerals to Roman numbers. And see, the sub question numbers are written correctly, and the literal choice, whether it was the capital letter or the small letter, please be very mindful of that. It makes a lot of difference. Whether secondly, the optional literal should be in the textual area along with the answer. So please be very careful whether it is capital or small. Kindly check in your question paper and then respond. Suggest areas, that is suggest strategies for improving or losing out marks. Suggest how the candidate can avoid losing marks. You can see that candidate has written the numeral also and the Roman number. Kindly check against the question paper what is the question numeral given or the Roman number given in the question paper. Avoid using such kind of ink that will be absorbed by the paper and it will be reflected at the back of the paper. Use blue black ball pen as advised by the CBSE. You can see that lowercase b and uppercase d, kindly be very mindful of how the responses have been written or given over here. Be very careful of these kind of errors. You can see one question or sub question number there, one some correction is done over here. So this is also one area where one has to be very careful. You can see the question numbering has changed from the Roman to numeral style. This is one cause of concern where the CBSE examiner may not mark the answer script. Why? Because it does not match with the question paper. Option A, you can see the literals are missing. This is essential because of course, first of all, it is required that it is a part of the answer. Option D, and whatever was the answer. Secondly, it helps the examiner mark the question paper faster and more accurately. If you are giving a chance to the examiner to go and hunt, match word by word with the answer key, you are annoying the examiner. Question number 4, option A. Sub questions are in place, the answers are in place. Be very mindful of such errors. Grammar, Grammar, it is grammar. Question number, sub question numbers, literal and option literals are in place. Grammar, everything is in place. Grammar again. Option literals are missing. Question numbers are corrected. This should be avoided. Writing section, self-address. Be very careful to write the complete address, date format. The station house, master or officer. The Satyanagar police station, the is missing. Country, Subject should be in 3 words or less, and it should be written after the salutation. I, comma, Tabassum, comma, a resident of the Satinagar colony. Full stop. Is it a full stop is required? I, comma, Tabassum, comma, a resident of Satinagar colony, comma, am. If you are joining with this I, then it should be am. There should be no extra I. One has to be very careful with clauses, that is independent clause, and this is the dependent clause that is in between. Suggest whether the language is in passive voice, it is correctly written. Signature and the name in capital letters. The candidate had written her own name, her own name. That should be avoided. Write the name given in the question paper. Coming to the literature part, the question number and the option and the sub question number, all three are in place. This is perfect. Answers, writer's name, short story, the 100 dresses, correct. The title is also in good place. The answer is in well constructed. Single quotes to be used wherever citations are used. So the marks are taken away only because or reduced because of no citations or textual references, which CBSE has demanded as stated in their answer key. Kindly give suggestions for improvement. You can see that there are no citations. Such an answer may not fetch good marks, though the citations have been, though the textual reference have been used, but it is not shown through single quotations. Avoid writing answers in points. It is definitely not accepted. It should be written as a paragraph, and there should be fluency in the paragraph. This is one response where you can give suggestions to the candidate how this answer could have been written. You can write your sample answer and give it to the candidate. The three dots as being used in WhatsApp language, kindly avoid such kind of WhatsApp language in your literature or English paper. You can see the spelling errors. The title, the single quote opens, but the single quote doesn't close over there, and the answer seems incomplete. The opening sentence is missing over here, that is the writer's name and the title from where, with what reference is this being responded. A person's name to be written in capital letter, this is an error of grade 1 level. This should be avoided. Kindly give 1 star and 3 wishes to the candidate. That means identify one quality and give 3 areas of suggestions where this candidate can work and improve over a passage of time. Thank you so much for your kind attention.